Now welcome to this video on importation lessons. I'm recording this video to explain to us how we can register on the 1688 app. Now as I've earlier told you that 1688 is one of the biggest platform in China whereby you can import all kinds of products from China. So I'm going to explain to you the process on how you can register and how you can do some other things on the app. So the first thing is you download the app on Google Play Store, right? So I've already done that, and then you open the app. So next thing is to click on this icon here, this icon we have here, right? So there are two means through which you can log in on the app, right? So the first method, which is the most easiest means of logging in, is through your Alipay, right? So we have the Alipay here, that's the Alipay icon. The phone, that is through your phone number, and then your password. Maybe you want to log in with password, maybe you have earlier registered, and also if you want to register with your phone number or your Gmail on its own, this is where you go to. But the easiest way to log in is through your Alipay account. So I'm going to log in through my Alipay account. So make sure you download Alipay, download it and register with your phone number or your email, either of the two. You can go to Google Play Store, just search for Alipay. You type on the search bar Alipay. So you are going to see it and download it. To register on it, you can use your phone number and also make use of your Gmail. So I'm going to log into my 1688 via my through my Alipay. So I will click on this place, Alipay. You click on agree. Now the next thing, this is the number I used to register on my Alipay. Then I will click on confirm and login. Yes. So can you see, it's very easy and simple, very easy and straightforward. Now, I hope you learn a lot from this. So if you have any question, you can make use of the comment section. So make sure you like this video and you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more educative content like this.